Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting problem. For the last 2-3 days I have been facing this problem since I watch a lot of football match and I stream live, so this is a big issue for me. But finally I have fixed the problem. So today in this video I will show you the process. So what you can do is just go to setting and then go to about phone and then click MI UI version. You have to click multiple so that the developer option could enable. You are now a developer, so the developer option has enabled now. We will go to additional setting and then developer option. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. First option is turn on Wi-Fi purpose logging. You have to enable it, and then Wi-Fi scan throttling. You have to enable this, and that's it. If you enable these two options, your Wi-Fi will be stable. Just try this out and let me know in the comment box. I hope it will be helpful. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question regarding this video, please let me know in the comment box. I will try to answer. Thank you so much for watching.